right now I'm gonna show you how to cook the best damn steak. 5-star steak, steakhouse steak every time, and everyone's gonna love you. Okay. So today, I'm cutting up a picanha. This really applies to whatever cuts you want to use. Make sure you find which way the grain is running on whatever meat you're using. So you want to look for the lines and cut alongside them. Make sure you cut them nice and thick, like a good inch or 2. Okay, now you should have some nice steaks. And now you want to dry them up with some paper towels so they get a better sear. Make sure you go heavy on the seasoning, because remember, the inside has none, so you want to get a nice mouthful of flavor for every bite. Okay, so here's my secret. Use a thermometer. I got a fancy one, but a quick read one will work just fine. I'll explain later. Get a baking sheet ready. We're gonna cook these in the oven first. Use a rack so the meat can get airflow underneath. Preheat to 275. You wanna cook these for about 15 to 20 minutes. You wanna use an instant read thermometer to know when to pull them out. For medium rare, get them out around 110. Make sure the grill is hot enough to sear those ugly brown steaks. Trust. You can also use a pan and baste with butter, but that charcoal flavor is unmatched in my opinion. Make sure you flip them maybe every minute or so. Have your thermometer ready. Push them down on the grates for a better sear. Bro, I'm low-key burning them, but I high-key love that burnt crispy flavor. So if you don't put as many charcoals as me, or if you're using a pan, leave it on medium-high. Once your thermometer reads 120-ish, I would take them straight off. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that sear, bro. Some call this burnt, I call this a beautiful sear. After letting it rest for like 10 minutes. Look at how this came out. Look at that. And that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. A reverse sear on a hot grill will always be my favorite way to cook any steak. Literally the perfect outcome every time. Ladies and gentlemen, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. I hope you try my method and that everyone loves your steaks. Have a beautiful day.